Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 3 of exercise 13.2 of chapter 13 exponents and powers of class 7th. So here in question number 3, what they're saying here, say true or false and justify your answer. Mean to say here we are having a number and expression, we have to check that it is true or false. Mean to say we have to check that expression, that is their left hand side equals to right hand side or not, greater than or not, and we have to check and we have to justify your answer by simplifying this. So let's start the first part. In first part we are having 10 multiplied 10 raised to power 11 is equals to 100 raised to power 11. So what we'll do here, first of all we will take the left hand side, that is 10 multiplied 10 raised to power 11. Now again we'll use that law that when the bases are same with multiply sign and the powers are different. See here, its power is 1, its power is 11. So what we'll do here, we will add their powers, means 10 raised to power 1 plus 11, that is 10 raised to power 12. So left hand side is here 10 raised to power 12 here. Then again on right hand side we are having 10 raised to 100 raised to power 11 there. Means here 100 can be written as what? How we can write 100? 100 we can write here 10 multiply 10, or we can write here 10 raised to power 2. So write here 100 as 10 raised to power 2 and its power is 11 outside of the bracket. So what will be 2 into 11, that is 22, means 10 raised to power 22. Now compare both. This one is 10 raised to power 12, the left hand side, and the right hand side is 10 raised to power 22. And both are same, the powers are different. So that means to say here the left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Therefore it is false. In the same way you are having second part. In second part we are having 2 raised to power 3 and it is greater than 5 raised to power 2 here. So what we'll do here, you will take your left hand side first, this one 2 raised to power 3, and on taking this 2 raised to power 3, what we'll do here, it power 3 means we'll multiply 2 3 times, means 2 multiply 2, that is 8. Then here on right hand side we are having here 5 raised to power 2. So right here 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiply 5, the answer will be here 25. Now we can compare, is 8 is greater than 25? No, na, 8 is not greater than 25. So again it is false. So in third part we are having that in this 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 2. See, bases are different and again the powers are also different. And here on the right hand side we are having 6 raised to power 5. So what we'll do here, we will open these exponential forms. So first of all take left hand side, we are having 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 2. Now we'll open this one exponential form, that is 2 multiply 2 and 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiply 3, and on multiplying it we got here 72. And here on the right hand side we are having 6 raised to power 5, that 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, because 6's power is having 5. So on multiplying it we got here 777x, means 7776. So on comparing both we know that this one is not equals to this one number, and so here left hand side is not equals to right hand side, so it is false. Then same here in next part, in fourth part we are having 3 raised to power 0 is equals to 1000 raised to power 0. So again take left hand side 3 raised to power 0, and we know that any numbers whose power is 0 the answer is 1 always. And again take right hand side 1000 power 0 means answer will be 1. So as on comparing both we got here 1 is equals to 1, means left hand side equals to right hand side, so it is true. So in this way you can simplify this one part. So in this way you can compare and we can tell them that it is true or false, and you can justify your answer.